Hello and welcome to Casi-rusco University. In this video, we'll show you how to use our OCR Regex Filter. Now we assume in this video that you have Express Entry installed, which you see in the middle of my screen here, and that you have your handheld installed and connected, which you see on the far right of my screen. Our OCR feature is used to pull out any text via our camera, and you can use this to read text on a driver's license or to pull out text from a plate number and verify against the record on Express Entry. So to test this, let us go into the tools and select settings. Let's enable the OCR feature by going into the handheld functionality, and the feature is here that says use OCR scan and hit save. So by default, this feature will pull out what it sees on the picture without any filtering whatsoever. So let's see how that works. You can decide to reduce the content of the screen and what you're picturing. As you can see, I'm doing on the screen, but it would eventually pull out what it reads via the text. In this case, it's reading the whole employee number, and we can just submit that into Express Entry. Now, the next thing we want to do is to see how we can filter what the OCR is reading. So let's go into the badge settings. Now, in the badge settings, you have the OCR filter right here. And here you can just go into the filter and say, let us try numeric. So we're saying that it should filter out any letters and only leave the numbers. So let's try that. You can see that it's selected all the data based on a numeric filter. Now, next thing we want to do is let's see how it works when we select just the text. So let's pick the filter that will pick out the text. Let's see how that works. Now, as you can see, it picked out all the text where you see employee ID and there's the TELA, T-E-L-A. So it picked out all the text that it saw on the screen. And as usual, and as I did before, I can pick out the data that I want. So next, let us try and see how it works when we use a custom filter. So I'm going to set a custom filter to pick the first 4 digits. Let's hit save. And let's see how that works. So we're expecting this to pick the first 4 digits. Now there you have it. It picks the first 4 digits out of all the data that you see. That's a TLEA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It just picks the first 4 digits that it sees in that string. Now you can just hit submit to submit the text as usual. And this is exactly how that OCR feature works. Now this brings an end to the demonstration of this feature. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@Casi-rusco.com for any technical queries or sales@Casi-rusco.com for any product inquiries. Thank you.